Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to send money via Interac e-transfer on RBC Royal Bank. To start, open the website, then click on Sign In. Now, enter your client card or username. After entering, click on Next. Here, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Products and Services. On the left side menu of this page, you will see an option for Pay Bills and Transfer Funds. Click on Pay Bills and Transfer Funds. Under Pay with RBC Accounts, you will see a section for Add New Payee. Now, select First a Payee. Click on the radio button beside Interac e-transfer recipient. After that, enter the amount you wish to send. Then click on Next. Now, you need to add the Interac e-transfer recipient. Enter the recipient's contact details, either an email address or mobile number. If you wish to add this contact on your payee list, click on the tick box beside Add to Payee List. After that, click on Next. Review the transfer details. If everything looks good, create a security question and answer for the money to be secured. That's how you send money via Interac e-transfer on RBC Royal Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.